Alibaba ships millions of B2B listings, wholesale price tiers, and buyer reviews. But none of it is sitting in clean HTML, waiting for BeautifulSoup. Category pages hide their data in one JSON blob. Product pages hide it in another. And reviews don't even live on the page. They come from a signed mobile API. 3 data sources, 3 different mechanisms, 1 scraper, send a plain request, 200 OK. The page loads. But check the source. There's a window _page data _assignment containing the entire product catalog as JSON. No clean tags, no CSS selectors, just a multi-megabyte JSON object buried inside a script block. Standard regex won't capture it cleanly. The closing brace is thousands of braces deep, so we build the workhorse function. It will appear in every scraper. A regex finds the variable assignment. The capture group marks the opening brace. From there, the loop walks character by character, counts up on every open brace, down on every close. When depth returns to 0, we have the complete JSON object. The 3 million character cap prevents runaway iteration on malformed responses. This single function unlocks both the category page and the product page. Same helper, different regex. Every request goes through scrape do with super equals true and geocode equals US. Super bypasses the anti-bot layer. Geocode is the underrated one. It controls which products appear and which currency prices display in. No render equals true here. Alibaba ships its data in the initial HTML response. Headless browser would just slow us down. Fetch the television's showroom. Run the extractor with the page data pattern. Pull the item list out of offer result data, .item info list. 38 items on page 1. That visual product grid you see in the browser. It is this JSON object. We just bypassed the entire DOM. Now the trap. Add question mark page equals 2 to the URL. Refresh. Same products as page 1. The query parameter does nothing. Pagination lives inside page data itself. There's a URL rule field with a template. /g/televisions_0 placeholder. .html. Fill in the page number. Build the URL. Fetch the next page. Alibaba's pagination is a JSON contract, not a URL convention. Once you see it, every category becomes scrapable. Loop through each item. Filter out ads and store cards by checking for /product-detail in the URL. Pull 7 fields into a flat row. Name, price, image, URL, minimum order quantity, review count, rating, and supplier history. Run it across 3 pages. 116 products extracted. Real prices. Real review counts. That outdoor waterproof TV at the bottom. 6,861 supplier orders. That's signal. That's a serious B2B seller. Open a product detail page. View source. Different variable. Window.detail data. Different structure. But the same extractor works. Just swap the regex pattern. Same helper function. Completely new payload. Drill into global-data.product. That's where the rich data lives. Alibaba is wholesale. Prices come in tiers. Buy 1 to 299 units. $50 each. 300 to 999. 42. 1,000 or more. 36. Walk the product ladder prices array and capture all 3. Attributes are the trickier part. A TV has screen size and resolution. A textile has material and thread count. We can't hard-code column names, so we don't. Walk both property lists, merge them into a single key value map. 26 attributes for this TV. Brand, origin, backlight type, resolution, refresh rate. All discovered dynamically. Now reviews. They're not in detailed data. The global data.review object only contains store-level aggregates. Average star, total count. The individual review bodies live somewhere else. Open network. Click Load More Reviews. A request fires to acs.h.alibaba.com. Look at the payload. There's an app key, a millisecond timestamp, an MD5 signature. This is a signed mobile API. The MTOP scatter endpoint. Send a request without that signature, and the gateway returns fail SYS token empty immediately. 3 phases. Phase 1. Extract the company, seller, and product IDs from detailed data. Without these, the MTOP gateway has nothing to look up. Phase 2. The cookie heist. The signing token lives in an _M_H5_TK cookie. Instead of grabbing it manually from DevTools, we send a throwaway MTOP call with fake IDs. The request fails, but the gateway issues the cookies before validating the payload. We exploit that timing. Phase 3. Sign the real request. MAD5 hash of session, token, timestamp, app key, and payload. Every request gets a fresh signature because the timestamp changes. Run the review scraper. 10 pages, 100 reviews. Real buyer feedback in French, English, and mixed dialects. 5-star ratings. Image attachment.